Right then guys, today's lesson we're going to look at paradiddles and the music that goes with it. Let's get into it. Okay then guys, so paradiddle. The paradiddle is, I'd say, probably the most important pattern you'll learn on the drums. It's used in a lot of fillings, you can even use it in general beats, ride cymbal patterns, that kind of thing. It's a pattern that can be used all over, and it will improve your playing loads just by sticking it in, playing it on different voices, cymbals, toms, that kind of thing. So let's have a look at the music and then we'll go from there. Right, okay, so paradiddle. So I've wrote it out in quavers. Okay, so the pattern, the sticking for this, it's all on the snare drum. So the sticking for it goes right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so it's a mixture of single strokes and double strokes. I'll put the link in the top hand corner to my single strokes and double stroke lessons if you haven't had a look at them yet. And then that will lead you nicely into this. So you've got a section of two single notes, the right and the left, followed by a section of doubles, which is the two rights, and then vice versa, repeated, left, right singles, and two double strokes on the left hand. The count for this, as I said, I wrote it in quavers, is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so I'll play that for you now and let's see how it sounds. Okay then, so you've got single on your right, single on your left, double on your right. Okay, so that's the first part of the pattern, so we'll just do that in time. So 1 and 2 and. Okay, right, left, right, 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 left, right, right. Okay, second part of the pattern is single left, single right, double on your left. Okay, right, left, sorry, left, right, left, left. Okay, so in time, 1 and 2 and. Okay, so now we're going to put both of those phrases together. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so in time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, now some people will also count it. So the way this is set up, you've got a para, which is your right and left, para, and then the diddle, which is the double on each hand. So para, diddle, para, diddle, para, diddle, para, diddle, para, diddle, para, diddle, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. Sorry, I ran out of oxygen then. Okay, so now I'm going to change it up and we're going to go into 16th notes and we're going to look at what that looks like. So you'll have the same phrase, but you'll split over 16th notes. Okay guys and girls, so this is the music with it done in 16th notes. Remember, we know that's 16th notes because we have two lines at the top of each note. And the sticking remains the same. So right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And the counting for this is 1E and A, 2E and A, 3E and A, 4E and A. Okay, so as before, it's all exactly the same, except now to make up a bar, we play the phrasing 4 times, okay? Or 2 complete sets of paradiddles. Okay, so I'll play that for you now, let's see how it sounds. 1E and A, 2E and A, 3E and A, 4E and A. Okay, so we're going to slow it down a little bit. So 1E and A, 2E and A, 3E and A, 4E and A. Okay, let's get a little bit slower. 1E and A, 2E and A, 3E and A. 4, E, and A. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so a little bit quicker. Okay, so this is, as I said before, very important to practice. You've got your singles and your doubles in there. So when it comes to playing patterns around the kit, it would help a lot. You transferring from right hand to left hand and vice versa, depending on how you move it around the kit. It is something that I would say you should practice at least every other day, if not every day. 10-15 minutes just going through it. Start off nice and slow, speed your way up to as fast as you possibly can go. Try to keep all your notes even as possible, and that goes for the volume as well. Okay, so once again, it is something that I practice all the time. I am still practicing, so hopefully my speed will increase as well. Have a lot of fun with it. I will do a follow-up lesson where we go through patterns, cymbal patterns, a drum beat, and then moving them around the kit to show you how it can sound. You can also incorporate bass drums into the paradiddle. So you could play like right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So you're still doing a paradiddle, but you've got the bass drum in there as well. But as I said, we'll go over that in another lesson. So just one more time. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, one more time. Okay, so as I said, I'm still practicing them. The speed takes a long time to come, but just play it nice and slow, and eventually you will get faster and faster as time goes by. Okay, so we'll leave the lesson there. Please comment down below, let me know how you're getting on with it. Please feel free to tag me in your video so I can see your progression. Always interested to see how students are getting on. Yeah, and you know, you might end up better than me within a couple of months if you keep practicing. So I look forward to seeing them, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much and goodbye.